Hey, what's up? It's me, Errol, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a bit of LVT. I'll show you a few tricks and tips on how to fit your LVT using an LVT cutter. So without further ado, let's crack on with the video. Now that we've got all the prep work out of the way, let's actually get on with fitting some flooring. You're joining me on the last half of the room. See, I fit one end in first and then I lift it up to about 45 degrees and then knock it in. And then I'll take my tapping block and completely finish knocking it right the way in. But anyway, I think now that I've shown you that, I think we'll crack on with a little time lapse. And there you go. I'm just putting the last row in, using my finger to check the space to make sure that I've got the correct gap. There you go, we're just about done with this one. If you like these type of videos, please check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.